What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. So you saw my thumbnail, so I'm going to show you 3 things that you check on your car to avoid something like that. Something like that could be dangerous for you, for the pedestrian. Not Ken, it is dangerous. A lot of times your vehicle will tell you, give you signs, noises. If you hear like a squeaking, click, click, you couldn't even feel it in the steering, clack, 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 it's a problem. Okay, the car is trying to tell you something. So today I'm going to show you 3 things you can take a look at to avoid something like that so you don't have an accident. Sometimes it could be like a $200 job. Let's say your outer tie rod is bad. It's a $25 piece. You could pay a mechanic $90 and get it done for under $200, way under $200. And if you don't do that, let's say that tie rod breaks and then the whole wheel and everything breaks. You got broken axle, you got broken control arm, a ball joint. $250 repair can cost you $2,000. Why pay $2,000 when you can get that car fixed and have other things fixed with $2,000? Because once that ball joint breaks, your whole tire hits the fender. Not just that you have fender damage now. You broke the ABS sensor. You broke the brake line. Your strut got bent. All kinds of stuff. So let's take a look at a few things on this vehicle. Look at this. This tire is wiggling. Let's go to the other side. Let me take my camera and light with me. Check this side out. Look at this side. See that? The whole tire is wiggling. I don't even need to, usually you need to put 2 hands on it. You can put a hand here and here and turn it. You will see ball joints or tie rods are bad. Up and down, same thing, but let's go underneath. Look at how bad things are on this vehicle. Okay, so this person bought a used vehicle. We got bad tie rods on this guy. See that? It's all plain here, okay? On the inner tie rods, and then you got play on this side on the outer. Okay, it moves in there, and it's hard to see, but it is there. It is bad. You can even hear it. I got another vehicle. I'm gonna show you that one is severely bad. The ball joint is moving so much you have no idea. So let's bring that car in next. I'm gonna show you the complete thing. Okay, so stay tuned for that one. You would check your ball joint, you would check your outer tie rod, inner tie rod. If you have an upper control arm, you're going to check that. And those are the only things you need to check. And just stay tuned to watch my video on this vehicle. I think I'm going to be changing tie rods. So it is going to be called How to Replace Tie Rods on a Dodge Avenger. This is a 2007 model. So now here's a vehicle that is in gravely danger, that's gonna go bananas on the street, and that might break out and your tire fall out and everything might break. Check this out. The whole thing is just moving. Okay, right now it has a load on it, but the whole thing is just moving back and forth, okay? And the problem is the joints are neat, so let's take our camera. So if you go right down here, this ball joint is in terrible condition. You're not gonna be able to move it by hand, but it does have play. But anyways, check out your ball joints, tie rods, and those are the things you want to check out. So if you go underneath, check this out. Watch this. Okay, if you try to move it by hand, you're not gonna see much of a play, but watch this. Look at this. Okay, same thing with the tie rod. So that's the problem there. So this is going to be a ball joint. It's a part of the control arm. The whole thing comes off. And over here we have a tie rod. Same issue. And a customer is going to replace all that. So if you guys want to check out my other videos, make sure you do this type of job. And don't hurt yourself. And don't let yourself be in danger. Fix things, okay? And it takes only about this piece is only probably like $100. And I'm sure you can find a good mechanic that can, even if somebody charge you $200, that's a lot of labor, $200, but it's worth it, okay? It's worth doing it than hurting yourself or somebody else in the street. And anyways, thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one.